Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers to YouTube channels. As the first visual impression, a compelling thumbnail can spark curiosity and encourage users to click on a video. Effective thumbnails not only increase viewership but also contribute to the sustainable growth of a channel by consistently drawing in new audiences. By clearly conveying the video's content and standing out among countless options, thumbnails help creators build a recognizable brand and foster long-term engagement. Common mistakes in thumbnail design can significantly reduce viewer engagement. Overloading the thumbnail with too much text often makes it cluttered and hard to read, causing important information to be overlooked. Using obscure abbreviations or unclear shorthand can confuse viewers, making the content less accessible. Additionally, relying on generic or poorly chosen illustrative images fails to capture attention and may not accurately represent the video's topic. Avoiding these pitfalls helps create thumbnails that are both attractive and effective in communicating the intended message. Authentic facial expressions in thumbnails play a crucial role in capturing viewers' attention. When a thumbnail features genuine emotion, it sparks curiosity and encourages people to click, eager to learn more about the story behind the image. Real expressions help establish an emotional connection, making the content feel more relatable and trustworthy. This subtle yet powerful element can significantly influence how viewers perceive and engage with a video. Designing the thumbnail before writing the script is a strategic approach that helps optimize the video's content from the outset. By establishing a clear visual concept early, creators can ensure that the script aligns with the key message and appeal of the thumbnail. This method allows for a more focused narrative, guiding viewers' expectations and enhancing engagement. It also helps maintain consistency between the video's visual identity and its storytelling, resulting in a more cohesive and effective presentation. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way thumbnails are created and enhanced. By leveraging AI-powered tools, creators can automatically improve image quality, adjust colors, and highlight key visual elements. These advanced techniques help thumbnails stand out, capturing viewers' attention more effectively. In today's competitive digital landscape, optimizing thumbnails with AI can significantly increase engagement and set content apart from the rest. In summary, the core strategies for growing a YouTube channel include consistent content creation, understanding your audience, and optimizing video titles and descriptions. Among these, the importance of thumbnails cannot be overstated. A compelling thumbnail acts as the first impression, attracting viewers and encouraging clicks. Over time, well-designed thumbnails contribute significantly to channel growth and viewer retention. Prioritizing thumbnail quality is essential for building a sustainable and successful YouTube presence.